Hi, my name's 𝗏𝗏𝗿𝗃 and I head up Veesus software development team, and we've just brought out a suite of new features this week in our software, and we're really excited to bring these to you because I think they're going to be quite a game changer in a number of ways. So let's get started and show you Arena4D, where the bulk of the work has gone in. We've got this new Pro option on the login screen. Veesus has a wide and varied user base, which means our software has grown over the years with a number of features which we appreciate not everyone needs. So we've split some of these more advanced features into the Pro user interface and removed them from the basic interface. As default now, when you start Arena4D, you don't have these turned on. Pro is disabled by default, and you get a much cleaner, simpler user interface, which hopefully make it easier for people to get started with Arena4D. And with that, let's get started with some data, show you what else is new. So here's a nice Gaussian splat data set that we recorded ourselves using our XGrid's L2 scanner. And it does look very good. Now what we've added in the latest round of updates is this color control or color grading panel, which anyone coming from sort of film and TV will hopefully be familiar with, and this gives you access to all kinds of color balancing options under your lift, gamma, gain, offsets, saturations, temperatures. But perhaps for us the most exciting one that we've seen working with Gaussian splat data is the sharpening mask. So if I tweak that up a little bit, you'll see quite a jump in the quality of data. In fact, I turn super sampling on as well. Now, if I toggle between the two, turning the color gradient on and off, you can really start to see the texture of the paintwork here pop out and this foliage in the background. And just like other video editing stuff, we'll change things like the temperature so we make a warmer looking image. We can, boost the gamma maybe a little bit. And all these things combine to really make your video pop, or make it blend in with material you've already recorded. So you can do a lot of color balancing here and sharpening to really improve the output of your videos, all still images, directly here in Arena4D without having to go to third-party products now. Okay, let's turn that off and show you the next cool new feature. In fact, I'm going to do this in point cloud. This works in Gaussian splats and point clouds, but for the moment I'm going to turn the splats off, so we've just got the points here. So here we go, here's a nice looking point cloud, and if we go to the RGB feature now, we can assign a colour, let's make it fairly green, to the points rather than them showing their natural colour. But as there's an alpha channel, we can also blend it, so we can have a little bit of colour or a little bit of green. In this instance, I'm going to go full alpha because I want a nice solid green colour. Because what I'm going to do is turn on our new opacity settings, turn on point smoothing, visual super sampling is turned on, and what I'm going to do is turn that down, maybe point size, point ratio. Yeah, that gets me the kind of look I'm going for. Now Arena4D provides a lot of settings here for playing with the opacity to get just the right look that you're going for, but for now, for this video, that'll do for me. So now I'll move on to the animator. Or in fact, before I do, just a really quick one. In first person mode now we've added some keys, Q and E, to let you go up and down as well as forwards and backwards. Just a little thing, but we've been asked for it, so there you go, we've given it to you. Now if I move on to the animator, right, here we are in the animator. So I'm going to create a new animation, and I'm going to start here, and I'm going to end up over here. Now, that in itself is particularly exciting. We can make a nice looking video, but we can do so much more now. So let's go back to the beginning. Let's add the point cloud to our animation, because now we can animate the properties of the point cloud. So in the final frame, I'm going to change the colour. So now this is going to be a mostly blue colour. There we go. If I go back to the beginning and play my video through now, you can see how it cycles through the colour from green to blue. What we can also do, if I turn on the animator overlay so I can see the camera positions, if I turn on the position tool and select the camera, I can now rotate this camera like so. So if we go back to the beginning now and play the video, not only do we get the colour change, but we also get the camera to roll upside down as we go. Now this is a silly little example really, but it can lead on some really cool looking videos which we'll share with you later on in the coming weeks. But for now, that's a quick update of what we've brought into Arena4D. The colour grading, the simplified user interface, the improved opacity effects and the greater camera controls. Combine all these, you can make some really cool looking stuff, and we look forward to see what you can make. Thank you.